Welcome to VettedTrainers.com.
So to start your jump squat, we want to take a healthy stance and drive the knees out when you jump. And there's one thing that's the most important when you're doing jump squats. You do not want this to happen. That's called a valgus collapse. That is terrible for your knees. It's also not good for your lower back. This is a great position. This is strong for your knees and strong for your lower back. We're using big tissues to support you. Here's a side view. Boom. Boom. And then there's another thing you want to watch out for. You will want to make sure that your hips are going back when you land instead of forward. So this is how the wrong one looks. That would be terrible for your knees. But instead, we want to drive the hips back. Now I can use my hamstrings and my hip flexors to catch my weight. And that's the jump squat.
This video has been brought to you by VettedTrainers.com.